a shoe from
Well,
last year.
Mhm.
I thought, oh, this is a shoe that I'm really into conceptually. And I saw the Gore-Tex logo on the tongue, and I was like, looks awesome. But then I didn't realize that they had that super beefed up, not real mesh on the shoe, and it just like crumpled up like this. And I was like,
first half.
I was like, ah, man.
Not for you. No, fair enough.
Yesterday I had the pink and blue ACS for Ultimate Automobile.
Arthur Carr Solomons.
Is that another 2 on the way?
Yep.
Yes.
For the Olympics.
Yes. I actually saw these sneakers in person a couple months ago.
You did?
In France, yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
when
you
you
hung out
visited
with
the
those,
garage?
yeah,
I like the
garage,
speed
yeah.
crosses. What
I
do you
like the XT4
Okay.
better, and maybe that's just me being safer and being a bit more traditional. Also, I wish I knew off the top of my head. There's some super deep car references, and this
Car.
Yes, right. This shoe is in reference specifically to Arthur broke the whole thing down for me in the garage there. We'll put some images. Read the press release. Read the news post on the side. I like it, and it's French colors, American colors. Choose your own adventure.
Let's get to the guest.
We do have a guest today.
Needs no introduction. Friend of the brand, been on sneaker shopping twice. Was on sneaker shopping back in the day in Jersey. After Shoes was your season 10 finale. We're going to talk about it, so I don't want to give it away. But when I was coming up, college, the biggest trendsetter,
Okay.
an era of Jordans. We're going to get to. So happy he's here. Sneaker legend, rap legend, FBO. Fabulous is here too.
Wow. What an introduction. Thank you for having me.
Good to see you. I'm happy you're here this week because, like, the Lightning 17 just dropped. 2002 shoe. I remember that era. You were the guy. The videos, French Blue 7s. Are you happy to see, like, a shoe like that 22 years ago come out? And, like, what's the feeling you had when those dropped, like, last week?
It's low key amazing that Jordans have just had this run like
Yes.
that. Like this like kids even wearing them that have never even seen Jordan play.
Right.
They don't even know what it's all about besides the sneaker. So just seeing that shoe come back and seeing, plenty of the retros come back, and then seeing kids, and like I even have kids who wear Jordans, and I look at my connection to them way different from there because I can hear their connection, and they also don't know certain shoes that didn't release in their time. Like, so the 17s to them would be like, what are those?
Brand new
Those are I don't ever like those are trash. Like, they don't even go that far because they don't have any. You know what I mean? The other shoes that came out a few times during their existence. So the 17s haven't came out. I remember trying to get my son the 8s, and he was like, "What are those?"
Yeah.
I'm like, "These are the playoffs. Like you have to have a pair of these. These are playoff 8s.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I mean?" And he's like,
That's-
"Nah." I'm like, "They